10:40 हो जाएगा, कोई मुझे टाइम का याद नहीं दिलाएगा। मैम इट इज 10:40, मैम इट इज 10:40, बिकॉज वी आर स्टार्टिंग लिटिल बिट लेट ना। ठीक है, जॉइन योर हैंड्स। Yes. Sai Ram children.
Sarah ma'am.
Sarah ma'am.
Sai Ram.
Sarah ma'am.
Sarah ma'am.
Sai Ram.
Sarah ma'am.
Sarah ma'am.
Yes. Now, let me see who is going to read. Yatindra.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh. Lesson number 10. Who will be Ningthol?
Lesson number 10. लेके
मैम लेसन नंबर 10 है फिर
Yes, ma'am.
यूनिट 10
Sorry, lesson number 10 नहीं, unit 10. Sorry, my mistake. Unit 10.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from starting.
Yes.
Long, who will be learning to? Long ago, in the land of Kengla Pat in Manipur, there lived a Ningdo and a Lama. They were loved dearly by the people. The Ningdo and Lama, on their part, never stopped thinking about their mm, mere Miriam, the pupil. Our Miriam should be happy. This child. The pupil were stop. The pupil were not only ones who loved them.
Okay,
Also,
stop.
but
Stop. Now I'm going to share my screen and you are going to read from there.
मेरा पेन थोड़ी है कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा
Yes, read. Sorry, read. Yatindra, start. See the screen and read.
Caravans invented the model car in 1888 in
Germany.
January. Main road working hands in
एक मिनट बेटा, किसी का माइक ऑन है, प्लीज सिद्धि का माइक ऑफ करो प्लीज. यस, रीड.
bands in France. He made cars in France by 19,000.
19,000
1900. Many people were building. Many people were building cars in France and in the USA. The first company.
करो. Okay,
The first company to build only car the.
बस, ओके, थैंक यू. आप बाहर से और रीडिंग रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करो यादेंद्र, ओके? टेक्स्ट बुक तो आपने पढ़ लिया, लेकिन बाहर से और दूसरे अननोन चीजें पढ़ो। आपकी रीडिंग बहुत इम्प्रूव हो सकती है अगर बाहर का पढ़ोगे तो, ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
यशमित, यशमित,
Yes, ma'am.
read where he left. Unit 10. The people, third paragraph, the people were. Yashmit, where are you? Can you hear? I think he's not there. Okay, maybe he left. Aditri, please read.
Okay, ma'am. The people were not the only ones who loved their Nintu and Leima. The birds and animals too loved them. The Nintu and Leima always said everybody in Kamli Park should live in peace. Not only the people, but the birds, animals, and trees. Their beloved king and queen had three sons, Sanjauba, Sanayama, and Sanatomba. 12 years later, a daughter was born. She was named Sanatombi. She was a lovely child, soft and beautiful in sight. She was loved by one and all. The years went by.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please read this from the first.
Okay, ma'am. Carl Benz invented the modern car in 1888 in Germany. Emile Roger worked for Benz in France. He made cars in France. By 1900, many people were building cars in France and in the US. The first company to build only cars was Panhard at Levasseur in France. Panhard's company started in 1891 in France. In the US,
1899.
1891 in France. In the US, Frank and Charles Darrier started the Darrier Motor Wagon Company in 1893. It was the first US car company. By 1902, Ransom E. Olds started the Olds Motor Vehicle Company. A year later, Henry Ford started the Ford Motor Company. It produced the Cadillac. All these early modern cars burned gasoline or diesel fuel. Ford opened factories in France
you.
and Britain in 1911.
Thank you. Okay. Aditri, well read. And one more thing I want to clear. You said about the puzzle. पजल में ना कोई एक्स्ट्रा लेटर्स नहीं होते, चाहे आप ऊपर नीचे कहीं से भी राइमिंग करो. आई समहाउ आई कांट मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, आई डोंट नो व्हाई. एक्स्ट्रा लेटर्स नहीं होते. डिड यू मेक इट योरसेल्फ और यू फाउंड इट समवेयर इन सम बुक?
No, ma'am, I made it myself.
Some corrections you tried, full marks for trying, लेकिन that is not flawless, I'm sorry to say, क्योंकि extra letters कहीं पर नहीं होते. आप अपने बुक में आपने जितने भी आज तक देखे हैं, तो आप देखोगे कहीं पर एक्स्ट्रा लेटर्स हाईलाइटेड नहीं होते. रेड में आपने जो हाईलाइट किया एम बीट, आपने बोला मिलेट के लिए है, फाइन, परफेक्ट. लेकिन वो अगर अक्रॉस में हम देखें हॉरिजॉन्टली, तो वर्ड क्या बनेगा? एम बीच. डज इट मेक एनी सेंस? नो. तो हमें और ध्यान देनी पड़ेगी. डाउन, चाहे डाउन हो चाहे अक्रॉस हो, ऐसा कोई लेटर, ऐसे प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगी उसकी जो कि एक्स्ट्रा है.
Okay, ma'am.
हो सकता है आप किसी दूसरे वर्ड का इनिशियल वो है, लेकिन अगर ऐसे भी कंसिडर करेंगे अक्रॉस को, तो फिर वो लेटर तो आनी ही है. तो आप ऐसे करो कि एम, अगर नीचे ऐसे मिलेट होता भी है डाउन से, तो एम से अक्रॉस वाला भी कोई वर्ड हो, तो फिर वो दोनों में आ जाएगा, है ना? तो एम लेटर क्या है? एक्स्ट्रा नहीं दिखेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
Could I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am. So how do I make it perfect anyway?
Okay, I can try and I can help you. That is a different issue. But did you understand what I am wanting to say? What I am trying to make clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't get me wrong. I am not poking you. I am not teasing you anything. I am just helping you to make it flawless.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम आप परफेक्ट कुछ डिजाइन करो. ओके ओके गुड. नेक्स्ट सिद्धिका.
Yes, ma'am.
यस दिस वन. द years went by. यहाँ से
The years went by and the children grew up well. And then one day the Naito called and his minister and said, "It is now time to decide the Sungi Naito, the future king." The minister was shocked. But oh Naito, what is there to decide it? Sanjao, your eldest soon.
सना जाओगा.
Okay, ma'am. Sana Jauba, your eldest son, will be our future king. Well, the Naito replied, "That's how it happened in the old days. The eldest son always became the king, but time have changed. So let us select a king who is much worthy of becoming a king. We will have
Now you read this. Anyways. Yes, read this.
Okay, ma'am. Hardik lives in a big city. He is a tailor. He is very poor man, so he is not able to get one minute. Another
Enough.
enough
Enough food.
food for his family. He wants a wife and a small son. His son Anil is very naughty and a lazy boy. He never listens or obeys his parents. He plays in a street with other naughty boys. One day his father takes him to a school. There he sees many children who obey their teachers. They learn many good habits in the school. Also read. They also read and write well. Anil feels sorry and starts changing himself. His parents are very happy now.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next. Sankalp.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashmit. Yes, next you will read. Yes, please read this. 177, where she left.
We will have a
We will have a from there. Sankalp, can you put the video on, camera on, please?
Ma'am, मेरा कैमरा ऑन है.
Okay. Come on, read.
We will have a contest to select the future king, that Lima said, and so in the land of the kingly
Kangli
pack, there was a contest and horse race. Whoever reached the whoever reached the kangaroo Kongnak at the banyan tree. First, would you decide at Tangi
Declare. ठीक से पढ़ो. Would be declared.
Then a strange thing
ये
happened.
लिखो.
Sanjuba, Samemia, and Santumba. All three of them finished the race together. They were expert rider, and all three reached that finish line at the same time. There was a great excitement. Look at them, and people shouted, shout, struggle. Tambu Rupa, such a fine horseman, but
Okay, thank you. Shankar,
yes, ma'am.
can you read this?
मैम कहाँ से?
अच्छा, एक मिनट. Just a minute. Yes, this one. Once upon a time,
Once upon a time there was a little red fox. One day he was very thirsty and he went to river to have a drink. When he peered in the water, he became very angry. There was another fox looking at him. He growled and at it to go away and said it was his river. Of course, the fox in the river did not go away, but he made no sound. The fox again shouted and at the other fox that he would leap in the water and bite the nasty ugly fox. A little brown duck heard a little red fox shouting and asked him why he goes so. The fox told her that there was another fox in the water which was not going away. The duck told him there was no other fox but it. Little red fox instinct he was
in,
jump into the water and bite him.
okay. संकल्प आप भी बाहर का थोड़ा सा रीडिंग करो तो आपका थोड़ा सा और इम्प्रूव होगा. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट मृदुल.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. There was great excitement.
There was great excitement. Look at them. The मैम प्रेजेंटिंग स्क्रीन हट गई.
क्यों? आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक खोलो ना. टेक्स्ट बुक से तो देखना है.
ओके मैम.
177. Okay, Yashmit, sorry. After this, I will give you.
Yes, ma'am. There was great excitement.
हाँ फिर नेक्स्ट.
मैम मेरी बुक में 177 पेज ही नहीं है.
हाँ. Anyways, okay, I will present the screen.
मैम 177 पे टीचर्स पेज है.
Okay, read.
कुछ कुछ बुक में मैम ऐसे है.
There was great excitement. Look at them. The pupils shouted. Shagul, Thamba, Luka, such fine horseman. But one question remained. Who would be one question remained. Who would be the टुंगी? मैम ये क्या है? टुंगी के बाद टुंगी ने गो.
Tunginego, the Nego and Lima
नेगो में निंथो, निंथो,
Ningko.
निंथो मतलब किंग और टुंगी मतलब नया, नया राजा कौन बनेगा?
The Ningko and Lima turned to their sons. The Ningko said, Sana Jaba, Sana
सनाएलमा
Jaba, the Nayao said,
you have proved
Senatoba, you have provided that you are fine. Horsey man, do something.
बस. Now read this. The यहाँ से
The insurging population has
भगवान मृदुल
increasing population has given rise to many kinds of problems. Breed clothes, housing, storage,
shortage
shortage,
ब्रेक करके ब्रेकअप कर करके आपने ठीक से छोटे क्लासेस में पढ़ा नहीं क्या? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट 4 हिस्सों में ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. मृदुल साइलेंट क्यों हो गए? पढ़ो. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट,
illiteracy required
ठीक से.
reduction in the output of agriculture and industries, etc. As we progress of growth, the population increase in population
पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन. हाँ ठीक से पढ़.
population increasing in
proportion
or development is very less in front of the growing population and development work is not seen.
Okay.
All government effort.
बस आपको थोड़ा ना क्या करनी पड़ेगी? आपको थोड़ा स्लो एंड स्टेडी होनी पड़ेगी. ओके. पढ़ तो लेते हो लेकिन क्या पढ़ते हो आप ही नहीं समझ पाते हो. स्लो एंड स्टेडी, स्लोली पढ़ना है. ओके. नाउ यशमित. Yashmin,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Do something different.
178.
Do something different, each one of you, so that we can decide who will be Tangi Ningtho. Suddenly, Sanjauba mounted his horse and held his spear straight in front of him. He looked around. There was a hush among people. What is Sanjauba, the eldest, going to do? They thought to themselves. Sanjauba then looked at the huge Hongan standing majestically in the distance. He pierced the tree and jumped his horse right through it. Bravo, bravo! The people
Okay,
shouted.
okay. And now read this. Second paragraph.
All government efforts appear unsuccessfully in the face of a growing population. Agriculture production and industrial development are proving to be negligible in the face of growing population. Keeping all these things in mind, there is an urgent need to control population growth. Without it, all the efforts made of development would be incomplete.
Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Okay, now Shaurya Jain. Shaurya, are you there? Shaurya Jain, is he there?
Ma'am, voice is not clear.
आपको रीड करना है. आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है? कैमरा ऑन करो. टेक्स्ट बुक है आपके पास?
Yes, ma'am. है.
आप ये वाला पेज पढ़ो 178.
Ma'am, 178 पे 169.
हम्म.
Ma'am, 170.
No, ma'am, 178.
Ma'am, पर मेरे
178.
तो मैं मेरे को तो ये लाइन जो आप रीड करवा रही हो मेरे पेज पे 169 पे.
Yes, ma'am, 178.
I'm 169.
178. Ma'am, 178.
167.
वर्षन और बुक का शायद. मेरे इसमें तो 178 है. शौर्य,
मैम मेरे में भी 178 है.
Yes, ma'am.
7.
अच्छा, आप वो who will be the nympho वो शुरू से पढ़ो. यूनिट 10 का जो स्टोरी है वो शुरू से पढ़ना शुरू करो.
Ma'am, शुरू से.
हाँ.
Long, long age in the land of Kangri Peak in Manipur, there lived a
Ningpo,
nympho and a llama.
हाँ.
They were loved dearly by the people. The
People नहीं है बेटा, ये ओ साइलेंट है. People, people.
Ningtho and Lemon.
लेमन नहीं, लेमा.
Llama on their part never stopped thinking about their Nima,
Miyam.
their pupil, our Nima
People.
leaper should be happy, they said. The pupils were not the only ones who loved their Ningtho and Lima. The birds and animals too loved them. The Ningtho and Lima always said, everybody in Kingpa, Kangaipa should love in pieces, not only the pupil, but people, but the birds, animals, and trees there.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। आप फिर ये पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो, सॉरी, ये पढ़ो।
There was a tree of
पारिजात,
Parijan in a forest. Parija had not much. He Bigulet was
हर ब्यूटी, हर ब्यूटी,
her beauty was unmatched.
यस।
His
appearance
appearance and
was
news.
unique.
Parja to was truly aware of his
Qualities
qualities reside
raised
raised his head in the blue sky as if standing with trees when the spring day came. The Parijat would Parijat would be laden with candle,
countless
countless little flowers as if someone had broken all the stars from the sky and stood them on the branches of the project.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can see who is next. Pihu, Pihu then.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please read this. जहाँ वहाँ पे छोड़ा था, I think 178. ब्रावो, ब्रावो, यहाँ से।
मैम कहाँ?
निंथू लेसन में ही। ब्रावो, ब्रावो, the people shouted.
The people shouted, throne, throne, and then they killed them. Now it was the throne of the second throne. Sana,
थोड़ा लाउड और थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ो।
yes, ma'am. Sanayam, what did we do? Sanayam took look at the Nagungam
Hongman,
Hongan as the mountain his horn. Then he too rode towards the three-handed and harder. The people was
harder and harder.
harder and harder. The people was in silence, afraid even to breathe. Then he was real close. He hugged his horse to jump higher and higher. He
Higher nahi, higher. Higher and higher.
followed the horse, rode until horse and ride jumped clear over the hug tree and landed on the other side in the wonderful month. The people
Okay.
were
Thank you.
happy.
पीहू, आपका
Yes,
कैमरा ऑन है क्या? You are not visible to me.
ma'am, एक मिनट
Ma'am, Piyu's camera is off.
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Use camera sir.
ना अभी ऑन हो रहा है.
मैम वो कुछ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से ऑन ही नहीं हो
Yes,
पाता है.
ma'am. Now the camera is on.
Yes, please read time यहाँ से. Time.
मैम कहाँ? Time is very aware. It is past in cannot be true that even after sending late and cross of rupees over has long time in the world, he was left with life with happiness and him who was मैम यहाँ की लाइट चली गई was
हाँ. Wasted time. He himself is wasted. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Pranav,
Yes,
continue the lesson. The people breathed.
the people breathed in a relief and said in unison, "Fa- fa- Faji, Faji, wonderful, wonderful." And now it was the turn of the youngest son, Santomba. He too rode his horse towards the Hongnagi. He and before anybody knew what was happening, approached it triumphantly.
Triumphantly. ब्रेक करके पढ़ना है बड़े वर्ड्स. Triumphantly.
Triumphantly, he carried the tree to the Nitho and Lama and laid it at their feet. Their feet shouts of throw, throw, throw. Faji, Faji filled the mountains. The people grew restless. Why were the Nitho and the Lama talking so long to make the announcement?
Okay. Now you read this. Ask the time.
Ask the time the player who missed the medal by the hundredth of a second. The train standing at the station is missed by a minute. Nowadays, many schools are not even allowed to enter school. If they come late, students should understand the value of time even more because by appreciating this life, they can achieve their life goals.
Okay. Very good, Pranav. Okay, Nakshatra, are you there? Nakshatra,
Nakshatra, I think not.
Nakshatra is not there.
Yes, ma'am. Nakshatra is not there.
Uh-oh. Okay, Arav. Arav.
मैम
पहले इधर से
Yes,
पढ़ना है.
read this after that.
They
Page
came,
179, I think. Bool.
they
Read.
came, they came there next to see what was happening. The Naitu and Leima were watching Sanathumbi, their 5-year-old daughter. She looked sad and lonely. She started at the Khangong, which lay dead by the throne. Birds flapped worriedly around, searching for their homes in the tree. Sanathumbi walked up to the Khangong and whispered, the Khangong is dead. It was hurt by the bear and now it is dead. The
Okay.
people
Now, please read this. Yes.
and the most
Read this one. The
most valuable thing in the world is the time, because most of the things in the world can be increased or decreased, but it is not in one's control to extend even a single moment of time. As time goes on, a person has nothing but remorse. Time is even more important for the student. The aim of student life is to get an education.
okay.
Education.
Very nice, Arav. Very well read. Okay. Very good. Ansh, are you there, Ansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please continue reading.
The people were all attention. The knight who stood up. He looked at the three boys. He looked at the little girl. He turned to the people. If anybody is worthy of becoming the ruler, he said, it is little Santobi. It was she who told us to look at the soul of the Kongan. Santobi feels the pain of others. He feels the pain of the people, the animals, the birds, the trees.
Okay, thank you. आप ये पढ़ो सेकंड वाला पैराग्राफ सेकंड पैरा
Education can be achieved only by the use of time. Students who lost their valuable time in sports, fun, and laziness are repentant throughout their life because they are deprived of getting a good education and are unable to progress in life. Instead of
ओके थैंक यू ओके चिल्ड्रन टाइम इज अप सो द रेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन जिनके बाकी है वो अगले दिन करेंगे एंड वी शैल कंप्लीट इट दैट डे इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड
Ma'am,
यस टेल मी Okay, anyways, we will complete it next day. So let us end the class with Shanti Pat. और आप लोग ना एक मिनट. I will do one thing. I will ask you to revise whatever grammar portion you have done for this weekend. Okay. Noun, verbs and tenses जो कि आप सब भूल गए हो. Adverbs, simile, metaphor, types of sentences. 5 things. Nouns, verbs and tenses, adverbs, simile, metaphor, types of sentences. 5 things you will do in this weekend. Okay? And बीच में मैं essays देती रहूंगी. essays आप लोग लिख के मुझे भेजना weekend में. So I will make the correction. I will see each one of your essays. I have not seen, but I will reply to each one of you. Okay. So let us end the class with Shanti part. Please join your hands.
Ira ma'am, thank you.
Ma'am.